be nervous. Relax. Business. Business. Do you do a lot of business in Vietnam? Do you do a lot of business in Vietnam? Special. This is a special local dish. This is a special local dish. Pleasure. It's a pleasure to be here today. It is a pleasure to be here today. Bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. The weather. Are you used the weather here? Are you used to the weather here? Have. Let me help you. Let me help you. Run. Traffic. You look traffic today. You look traffic today. Truck. Trains. Vietnam is changing every day. Vietnam is changing every day. Language. English is an international language. English is an international language. Okay, thank you for watching.